Imagine being this guy. You've just bought your new dream car, you take it out for a ride, bam, Uncle Scrooge whips out a baseball bat and gives you the same look a fat guy gives to the fried chicken.
Jail! You're going to fucking jail! Oh my god. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. He just I did nothing to him. Look at this piece of shit. Dude, look what he did in my fucking car. Look at this piece of shit. Look at you. Are you gonna fucking attack me? Are you gonna attack me? For what did I do to you? What are you, nuts? What did I do to you? What did I do to you? This is the guy's plate number. Are you fucking embarrassed of this guy? He just destroyed my brand new car. He just fucking destroyed my brand new car, you idiot.
The Karen here is the guy without a mask. They told him that he should leave, but he was causing a scene. That's when the man about to check out decided to explain to Karen how masks work. So he took him outside on a little picnic, and they shared a pepperoni salami.
Машина,
да. Пойдем, я тебе сейчас расскажу.
Машина, не делайте.
А выход сказал.
Что ты меня снимаешь? Что ты меня снимаешь-то?
Вызывайте полицию, вызывай быстро.
Что ты меня снимаешь?
Пизда ему. Пизда ему.
Сам упал.
Вопросы, блядь. Вопросы тогда.
This Karen needs a little context. The Karen is the screaming woman. But what's interesting is, the man is 67 years old and is actually handicapped. The woman on the other hand is full of shenanigans.
Hey, I lost my leg. Save the money, you pickle.
Call the police.
You better cut that shit.
Call the police on the phone now
For what?
to get you off of me, you fucking idiot.
Cause you went crazy. Make sure you get off.
I'm not crazy, you goddamn moron.
Cause you went crazy.
Get me out of here.
Yeah, I'm not crazy.
Get me out of here.
Save for your people. That's how.
Get away from me. Get me out of here. Move it. Move it, you fucking idiot.
You the idiot.
Call the police
For what?
on the phone
For what?
now.
It's time for a plot twist. She can actually walk, stand, maybe she can even run, who knows.
Call the police and she won't call the police.
I was gonna get you.
No, not on your phone. Not on your phone. Because all you do is call your gangster now.
I'm gonna call him too. They're gonna get you.
That's all folks. Bye. And the best comment from last video was, "Criminal calms." Thanks for the compliment.
Thank you for watching. Until next time. And don't forget to subscribe.